ज्ञान भक्ति और विश्वास मैत्री त्रिबीजपत्री चिंता चेतना और चिरंतनतार सहयात्री त्रिबीजपत्री। Welcome children. Today I have decided to teach you yet another important lesson in English grammar, that is the simple sentence. First of all, we have to know the definition of a simple sentence. But children, isn't it necessary to know the types of the whole sentences? What are the family members of the sentence? Yes, it is. So first of all, we know who are the members of the sentence, right? What are the types of sentences? Then we will discuss about the simple sentence. Now see, as I said, the number of members in a family of sentence are only three. One is simple sentence, two compound sentence, three complex sentence. How these sentences are named and categorized? So according to the construction of the sentence, the name of the sentence are determined. So we have to go to know the formation or the construction of the sentence. How a sentence is formed. A sentence is formed with the help of a clause. If the sentence has only one clause, it is a simple sentence. And if the sentence contains more than one clause, then there may be a compound sentence or a complex sentence. Okay? So, now see, sentences having one clause or sentences having more than one clause. More than one clause. Clause, C-L-A-U-S-E. Clause. So, the sentence having only one clause is known as a simple sentence. So, how to define a simple sentence? A simple sentence is a sentence which contains only one clause. A sentence having only one clause is a simple sentence. I have already taught you what a clause is. A clause is a group of words which contains a subject and a predicate. Group of words having a subject and a predicate is known as a clause. And the sentence having only one clause is a simple sentence. Right? Now come to know what are the types of simple sentences. Simple sentences are of four types. Only four types of simple sentences are: number one, declarative; number two, interrogative; number three, imperative; and number four, exclamatory. These are the four types of simple sentences. One by one, I will say what each and every sentence is in type and form. Right? First of all, we discuss about declarative sentences. So, a declarative sentence simply expresses an opinion or makes a statement. It is simply a declaration. Right? Now I give you some examples. Number one, I want to go to Cuttack tomorrow. It is my opinion. Right? So it's an opinion. I want to go to Cuttack. My dear children, every simple sentence has only one subject and one predicate. In this sentence also you can also divide this sentence into two parts. One is I. I is the subject. Want to go to Cuttack tomorrow is the predicate. And it's an opinion. That's why it's a declarative sentence and a simple sentence too. Number two, Tatwik and Kaushik are good friends. This is simply a statement. What a statement is? A statement is a sentence which has a truth value, whether this sentence is true or false, right or wrong. You may say right. No, they are not good friends. You may say right. Yes, they are good friends. So this sentence contains the subject Tatwik and Kaushik. This is the subject. Are good friends. This is the predicate. And it's a statement. So it's a declarative sentence. Subhasri and Anjali sing well. Subhasri and Anjali sing well. Subject Subhasri and Anjali. Sing well is the predicate. And so it's a statement. Now see, number 4. Saurabh has good knowledge in IT. Saurabh has good knowledge in information and technology. It's a statement. So Saurabh is the subject and has good knowledge in IT is the predicate. 5. Subhasis speaks fluently. Subhasis, subject but, speaks fluently, predicate but. And this is a statement. So all these things, all these examples belong to declarative sentences. Now come to second. So what is an interrogative sentence? An interrogative sentence simply asks a question. जो वाक्य रे गोटे प्रश्न पचरा जाय था से प्रश्नटी को गोटे इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस कहा जाए. And interrogative sentences are again of two types. One, formal questions, and two, yes or no answer type questions. Formal sentences, formal interrogative questions begin with who, when, what, where, which or how and end with a question mark. These are the formative or the formal questions. Second, yes no answer type questions. These sentences begin with do verb or be verb or have verb or modals and end with a question mark. Okay? Examples of interrogative sentences. First, formal questions. I have already told you formal questions begin with WH words. W means who, which, what, when, where, like this. And H stands for how. Now let us see. What class are you in? This is a question. Who is your headmaster or headmistress? When will you return? How can you write? These are the formal questions. Now come to the next part of the interrogative sentences. They are the yes or no answer type questions. अर्थात से प्रश्न पचारिले तार उत्तर आइदर yes or no हो. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ କୁହାଯାଏ yes or no answer type questions. Now let's have some examples. 1. Is Ramesh innocent? Innocent. Answer yes or no. If it is true, then you can say yes, Ramesh is innocent. Now question number 2. Example number 2. Do you like cool drinks? If you like, you say yes. If you don't, then you say no. But 3. Example number 3. Has Anima completed her homework? Anima homework complete karichi ki? Jadi yes, she will say yes. Jadi no, she will say no. Can you speak In the meeting, meeting रे कहि परिबो? Can you speak in the meeting? Answer is yes or no. What are the imperative sentences? Imperative sentences are some requests or some commands. An imperative sentence gives a command or makes a request. जो थे किसी निर्देश दिया जाए था, आदेश दिया जाए था, किंबा किसी रिक्वेस्ट करा जाए था, अनुरोध करा जाए था, से आदेश अनुज्ञा सूचक वाक्य गुड़ी को आमे कही थाऊ imperative sentences. In the imperative sentences, the subject is always understood, that is you. You is the hidden or the understood subject of the imperative sentences. Okay? And imperative sentences usually ends with a period or a full stop or with an exclamatory sign. Now come to some example. Pass me the salt please. It's a request. Do it today. It's an order. March on soldiers. It's a command. March on soldiers. जेहेतु एठी सोल्जर मान को संबोधन करा गला तेणु एठी एक्सक्लेमेटरी साइन रहिला. अदरवाइज देयर इज अ पीरियड मार्क. There is a period. That means a full stop at the end of the imperative sentences. An exclamatory sentence. What is an exclamatory sentence? An exclamatory sentence expresses strong emotions like excitement, surprise, sorrow, happiness and anger, etc. जने अति उत्फुल्लित होइछि, प्रफुल्लित होइछि, उत्साहित होई किछि कहूछि. गोटे मैच रे जिते सारिबा परे खेलाड़ी मानकर जो एक्साइटमेंट हुए, जो उत्तेजनामूलक प्रतिक्रिया, आमे माने जीति गलो यूरेका होरे हिप हिप होरे. So this type of statements or expressions are exclamatory sentences. They include sorrows, worries, happiness, excitement and surprise and anger. And usually an exclamatory sentence begins with what or how and ends with an exclamatory mark. आरंभ होइथिबो how किंबा what लगै, एंड होइथिबो पंक्चुएशन मार्क exclamatory मार्क रे. ये होचे लक्षण कहार ना exclamatory sentences गुड़िकर. Now let's see some examples. What a beautiful scene! How brilliantly Satyapriya designed a software. Satyapriya गोटे सॉफ्टवेयर तैयारी करछि. जने सॉफ्टवेयर बा हार्डवेयर तैयारी करछि जदि खूब ब्रिलियंटली तैयारी करिथाय ताहले आमे को ई किति ब्रिलियंटली किति चमत्कार भाबरे सत्यप्रिय ए सॉफ्टवेयर टा डिजाइन करछन्ती. बस हाउ ब्रिलियंटली सत्यप्रिय डिजाइन्ड ए सॉफ्टवेयर. व्हाट अ टेरिबल एक्सीडेंट. केड़े मर्मंत तो दुर्घटना, दुख, सरो. हाउ फास्ट टाइम फ्लाइज. किति द्रुत समय उड़ी उड़ी चली जाउछि. आश्चर्य, सरप्राइज. So these are the examples of some exclamatory sentences. Now we ended up the types of sentence, types of simple sentences and their examples. Okay, that's all.